Today I'm going to talk a topic about hydropower is not a clean and sustainable energy source. My group contains of 3 members who are Jason Ho Tian Fu, Ivan Dan Rizang, and me Ho Chong Fu. This is the outline of my slideshow. The first is introduction, which contains what is hydropower, and following by the arguments. Why is it not clean and why is it not sustainable? Following by the conclusions. The introductions. What is hydropower? Hydropower is power derived from the energy of falling water and running water, which may be harnessed for useful purposes. Kinetic energy of flowing water, it moves from higher potential to low potential. Then it rotates the blades of turbine, which rotate the axle. The axle has a coil which is placed between the magnet. When the coils rotate in magnetic fields, it induces them in the coil due to change in flux. Hence, kinetic energy of falling water is converted to electrical energy. This is the picture of a dam. Now I'm going to pass the speaker to next speaker, which is Jason Ho Tian Fu.
I'm Jason. Thank you, Chong Fu, for giving the speech. And now I'm going to talk about is hydropower a clean and sustainable energy resource? It's not, because it will release a lot of carbon dioxide and methane gas. Besides, it will kill the fish and methane in stream. And now I'm going to talk about why it's not clean, because it will pollute the air. According to the estimate of the Imperial Research, dams are the largest single anthropogenic source of methane, being responsible for 23% of all methane emission due to human activities. The following talk about the carbon dioxide emission. Under the Kyoto Protocol, countries estimate their total warming impact using 100 years. Over 20 years, the warming impact of annual large dam methane emission is equivalent to 7.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide. Below is the comparison between different types of emission of carbon dioxide gas from 2002 to 2005. According to a recently published estimate from Ivan Lima and some of his colleagues at Brazil National Institute for Space Research, the world's 52,000 largest dams release 104 million metric tons of methane annually. If Lima calculations are correct, then dams would account for about 4% of the total warming impact of human activity and would constitute the largest single source of human-related methane emission. And now I will pass my mic to Ivan.
Thank you, Jason. Hi, I'm Ivan. Now I'm going to talk about another factors of why hydropower is not a clean and sustainable energy. As you can see, the picture showing there's a lot of fish being killed and be cut into half. This is killed and damaged by the turbine blades of the hydropower dams. When the young salmon travel downstream toward the oceans, they may be killed by the turbine blades at the hydropower plants. For the adult salmon, when they attempt to swim upstream to reproduce, they may not be able to get past the dams. For these reasons, some hydroelectric power dams now have special side channels or structures to help the fish to continue upstreams. And the diversions of river flow through hydropower facilities can prevent the rapid introductions of oxygens. As you can see, the temperature of the downstreams decreases and is shown in a graph. The power scorecard explains that other measures of water qualities are affected by hydroelectric dams. They can cause variations in temperature and the amount of dissolved gases, especially oxygen, in the water. When water is slowed down by the dams, it raises the temperature of the water downstreams if it is released from the top of the dam. Water released from the bottom of the dam may have the opposite effects, making water cooler downstreams. Also, the power scorecard explains that if water goes through a dam from the bottom, it will have a lower dissolved oxygen content, affecting the water quality downstreams. Fish health is very susceptible to differences in temperature and dissolved oxygen content. Furthermore, a change in water temperature can also cause oxygen content according to Water on the Web. As a conclusion, as a factor considered above, hydropower is not a reliable and eco-friendly energy source.